Q.
7
Equation
by
problem
8.
10.
When you reciprocal, this will form into 1 by 75 by 8 is the correct. Then the equation is equation is equal to 1 by x plus 1 by x minus 10 is equal to 8 by 75. 8 by 75. LCM, write down LCM, write to simultaneous write to మీరు రాయాలి. కూర్చుండేట మాట్లాడుకుంటే చెప్పండి, నేను చెప్పేది వేస్ట్ అయిపోట్లా. దెన్ LCM is equal to what is this? LCM, what is this? X into x minus 10 is the LCM. X into x minus 10 is the algebraic expression. If you cross multiply it here, x is there, that's why the remainder is x minus 10. X minus 10 plus sign plus is there, this cross multiplication here, x is there, is equal to 8 by 75. 75. Here if you cross multiply it, plus x రాయాలి.
2x minus.
అప్పుడంతా ఇది is equal to ఎంత ఇది 8 into x minus 10. This is the problem. అంతేనా చూసా ఇప్పుడు into 2x minus 10. 10 is equal to 8 into here x square minus 10x. 10x, this is square minus 8x. Then 150 here. Here what is that? 0 is equal to 8x square minus 80x minus 150x minus పెట్టము plus 750. యాక్టివ్ ఉండకపోతే ఎట్లా ఇదే పార్టిసిపేట్ చేయకపోతే దెన్ వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్ టోటల్ 8x స్క్వేర్ 150 ప్లస్ 80 230x 230 పార్టిసిపేట్ చేయండి అవ్వదే 230x ప్లస్ 750 ఇది దిస్ ఈస్ ద ఈక్వేషన్. Here see can you 8 will be gone or not? See it once again. To see it 4x square minus 2 11s are 22 1 1 15x plus 2 3s are 6 6 means 2 7s are 2 5s are. This is the equation is equal to 0. This side